was a disaster! But I must say I'm very impressed with your doomsday bunker.
Even if I was able to deprogram my fellow robots, they'd get reinfected when they left this lead-lined bunker.
Ah, sprung for the lead upgrade too.
Only organic life can survive Hypnobot, but the 5 of us just aren't enough.
That's it! I'll make more of you!
You can't just build robotic duplicates of us and transfer our software into their systems.
Of course not! That'd be ridiculous! I'm going to build robotic duplicates of you and transfer your DNA into their systems.
If the cyborg's brains are made from organic matter, that should protect them from Hypnobot's signals.
Can my clone be wearing a bolo tie? I've always wondered what I'd look like in a bolo tie.
First you dropped me right in the middle of a robot civil war, and now you're asking me to give up my DNA so some mechanical alien can make a robo-duplicate of me?
If you don't do this, the robo-apocalypse wins.
Well, when you put it that way.
Team Sonic, may I present to you Team Cybonic?
Haven't gotten any better at naming things, huh?
I still don't trust this thing. I don't trust me either. I mean, cyborg duplicates? Whose wacky ding idea was that? Though I gotta hand it to her. She's got spunk.